Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a short review of these boned Conduction headphones. It's something that you can use for running, for underwater sports, and it's K7 model. It comes with this nice little manual which explains how you can use it, how to access MP3, and how to actually use it in different conditions. The manual is really detailed. This is the headphones itself. It has all the controls in here. As you can see, there are 3 buttons. This is for charging and for data transfer. So it also has an internal memory, so you can put on some MP3 music and listen while you're underwater. So this is a charging cable, which you can also use for transferring music from your computer. And these are just for your if you want to put them under the water, just for yourself. And this cord is specifically if you want to make sure that it fits your head. So I just tested. The music quality is really good. I've never used this kind of headphones before, so I'm looking forward to using them more. And I really recommend if you want to use something under the water, or maybe just when you take in a shower, that also could help you to spend some lonely times. Thank you for watching.